Is it bad to switch lenders before closing? Look, the short answer is no, and here's why. There are a lot of reasons as to why you would want to switch lenders. The most common reason I get is, well, my agent said so, or my friend said they can get me a good discount for this lender. Or something that is not that common but does come up is, someone said this particular lender is bad. Now, your mortgage lender plays a big role in your home purchase, and once you close a deal, they'll be with you till you pay it off. So it may benefit you a lot more to think about it rather than brush it off. The key here is to arm yourself with as much information as possible before signing that contract. Now, if your agent tells you to switch lenders, it might be more beneficial for you to do so because they know these companies to their bone. But do be careful and do your own research, because many say to switch just because they have a good relations with that particular lender. It's good to always ask why. Why is this lender better? Why do they have lower monthly payments? Or even ask comparisons with regards to their numbers. Look, if you are set on switching lenders, you have to consider the drawbacks. Changing mortgage lenders will definitely result in delays. With a new lender, everything will start from the beginning. That means resubmitting documents, pulling your credit again, meeting all the requirements set by the lender. These can generally add time to your home buying timeline, so definitely consider all your options before switching. Now, despite consequences, it may still be worth it to switch lenders. Look around for the best deals and compare wisely. After all, your mortgage may stick with you for up to 30 years. But if you do find a lender that has lower costs, lower closing costs, and lower monthly payments, and I would say that's probably the best sign to switch lenders, but make sure it won't delay your closing. Okay, so you've researched your options, weighed the pros and cons, and asked others' opinions. But the biggest question here is, how do I change mortgage lenders? Well, the process for switching to a different mortgage lender is no different from what you needed to do when you submitted your requirements to the first one. With a new lender in mind, you have to submit an application and provide all the necessary requirements all over again. Look, it's important to note, however, that although on paper their interest rates are lower, this may change after the credit check and appraisal, so do keep that in mind. So I suggest if you have your top 3 lenders, get pre-approved with them so you can compare the actual rates for the 3 of them. But make sure you get the quotes all on the same day. And if one lender's not responding to you same day, maybe that's a great sign to ditch them. Look, make sure you inform your agent about your decision to change lenders, because this will definitely change the timeline for closing. If you want more tips and advice within the real estate industry, consider giving a like and even hitting that subscribe button. And I'll get back to you in the next video.